Hey everybody, this is Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker here. I want to welcome you to Make It in Massachusetts as part of the many initiatives that we're pursuing virtually here this year in the Commonwealth. But there is tremendous opportunity for all of us to learn a lot and to take advantage of this great opportunity. And with respect to manufacturing, there's really only one thing you need to know about manufacturing in Massachusetts, and that is it currently employs, even in the midst of COVID and everything else, about 250,000 people, and the median wage in that space is $50,000. Whether it's robotics or artificial intelligence or other forms of automation and manufacturing and engineering, there's just a tremendous amount of growth in this space and will continue to be so going forward for a lot of reasons. Number one, in this day and age, people like to have manufacturing a lot closer to R&D. We always used to have the R&D part and the manufacturing went somewhere else, but people have been bringing manufacturing back home because products are changing, life cycles are shorter, and it just makes more sense to find a way to put the whole thing together in one place. The second thing is, we have all learned a lot during COVID about what happens to global supply chains in moments of scarcity and pandemics. And the answer is they freeze up because nation states get involved and people like me end up becoming experts in how to purchase PPE from foreign operators in faraway places. People going forward are more and more going to be interested in seeing that a lot of their manufacturing work and their supply chain activity is domestic. And that means great news for manufacturing here in the Commonwealth of Mass. It's been a growing sector for the better part of the past 4 or 5 years. We've put about $100 million on the table to support our Manufacturing Innovation Institute, and we continue to believe that this is going to be a great state to make it in manufacturing going forward. And we hope everybody takes advantage of the opportunities that are associated with this event today to learn more about what's happening in that space and to find a way, if it works for you and you think it's where you belong, to make it in Massachusetts in manufacturing. Thank you.